Let's take another one of these crazy statements. Here I have not, and then in parentheses, z is less than or equal to 7, and in parentheses, y is greater than 8, or z is less than or equal to 7. There must be an easier way to write that, so what I'm going to do is try to find it by symbolizing this and then making a truth table. I see two simple statements, I think. So I think P can be z is less than or equal to 7. I think Q should be the statement y is greater than 8. And then notice in my statement up above, I just have P again. So to symbolize this, this is my symbol for negation, not. Then in parentheses, z is less than 7 is P. My symbol for and. Y is greater than 8 is Q. Or z is less than or equal to 7 is P. Now let's make our truth table. I see the simple statements P and Q, so I'll have 4 rows here. Under Q, I'll write true, false, true, false. Under P, I will double that up to true, true, false, false. Then for columns, I'm going to need Q or P, P and Q or P, and then finally the negation of that. Q or P, just a simple or. So I've got true or true is true, false or true is true, true or false is true, false or false is false. I'm going to and that together with P, so I've got true and true is true, true and true is true, false and true is false, false and false is false. And then finally I'm just going to negate the column I just did, so not true is false, not true is false, not false is true, and not false is true. Now looking back across my columns here, I don't see one that matches up with this. However, notice, because we know our truth tables and because we can tell, this is the same as just the negation of P, right? This is false, false, true, true, the opposite of P. So this statement here should be equivalent to not P. That means instead of writing any of that crazy stuff up above, I can just write the negation of P. The negation of P should be the statement z is greater than 7. So instead of all that stuff up above, the not, and then in parentheses, z is less than or equal to 7, and in parentheses, y is greater than 8, or z is less than or equal to 7, we can replace that all with z is greater than 7 because of our truth table knowledge.